gosh, that before run was slow and took forever. Super boring. But hey, the car's a lot better now. So look what we did. 3-valve Mustang, 85,000 miles. And we just did some simple bolt-ons to this car. So it's got a set of delete plates, underdrive pulleys, the old JLT cold air intake now. Before it did have a K&N, so we took that up on the JLT, Detroit rocker cams. And then we installed a 3000 stall converter from TCI, as well as a set of 410 gears, so now the car will rip. And of course, headers, BBK long tube headers, and QTP cutouts, so the car's gonna be loud. Check out this after dyno pull. That was more like it. So don't forget, subscribe, hit notified so you're gonna stay up to date. We're gonna look at the dyno numbers now. And hey, you like something like this, you can always email quote@brenspeed.com to get a price. I'm gonna put in the description all the links to everything that went on this car. You can check it out, free shipping in the 48 states. We're also gonna listen to those cutouts, but look at this first. So before it made 263 to the tires, now we're at 316. And torque before was 288, now it's 310, that's rated SAE. Now, a lot of times people ask, am I gonna lose a lot of low end doing these type of mods? Well, no, not really. So look at this, clear down here. You know, this has a 3000 stall now. So when you hammer it, you're actually gonna be grabbing on the street right around in here. There is no really loss up here. As a matter of fact, at 5500, clear over here at 5500, you're at 60 real wheel horse gain and about 50 rear wheel torque gain all the way up. So as the car shifts, banging through the gears, it's shifting, you're gonna be up in that power gain range right there. So that came out really, really good. 410s and a stall converter normally lower your dyno numbers a little bit, but I think those still came out just fine at that right there. 316 to the tires. Let's listen to those cutouts. All right, I'm gonna fire this up now so you can hear the cutouts, and we did opt for the remote on these. This is really awesome. I'll show you this works, but listen to this. Sound good. Let's open this up. So, cutouts. Open and close button. Like that right there. Right now, underneath the car, it's loud. Close it. That's all there is to it. Now, I will say this car is pretty loud anyway. So, for those of you that have a very quiet car, and you want it to sound like that when they're open, man, this is not a better really way to do it right there. Some of you live in a neighborhood, you live in the city, there's some place that you can't have a loud car like this. Well, here you go. That one you can get out and rip it, you can open it up, good to go. So I'm Brent for Brenspeed, thanks for watching this. Again, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to figure out how much something like this costs to get built. It's a really nice car. It'll probably run like somewhere in the mid-12s and a quarter mile if you have sticky tires on it. Nice little NA build right there, 3-valve Mustang. Leave a comment, I'd be happy to answer.